Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a product called CollaGum, a collagen-based oral care powder that's marketed to support gum comfort and reduce tooth sensitivity. The product claims to strengthen gums and enamel and contains collagen peptides, minerals, and some plant extracts. Basically, it's supposed to be used after brushing to help with gum health, though it's important to remember that this is supportive care, not a replacement for professional dental treatment. Before we dive deeper, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or websites shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading marketing. Now, one of the first red flags with CollaGum is its unrealistic claims. The product repeatedly suggests that brushing collagen directly onto your gums can rebuild, restore, or even reverse gum recession. But in reality, dental science shows that gum tissue doesn't regenerate just because you apply collagen externally. Receding gums happen due to loss of attachment and bone support, not just collagen depletion. Even when you consume collagen orally, your body breaks it down into amino acids before it can be used. So applying collagen powder to your gums may temporarily coat or soothe the area, but it won't actually reverse gum recession. Calling it rebuilding is scientifically misleading. Another concern is how the product implies it can replace or rival professional dental treatments. While the FAQ mentions that it doesn't replace dentists, the overall messaging gives the impression that it can prevent grafts, reverse recession, and improve gum pocket measurements. These are outcomes normally associated with professional periodontal therapy or surgery. No over-the-counter powder has been proven to actually reverse gum recession, so marketing that suggests otherwise can give people false hope. The website itself also raises some concerns. It only provides an email contact information and doesn't list a phone number or physical location. That kind of limited contact information can be a warning sign when you're considering purchasing a health-related product. Looking at what people are saying online, Reddit discussions show a mixed picture. Some users report reduced bleeding, less sensitivity, or healthier-looking gums after using collagen powders or supplements. That might be due to better inflammation control or simply improved oral hygiene, but many experienced commenters push back on the idea of actual gum regrowth, pointing out that gum recession involves tissue attachment and bone loss, which supplements alone cannot fix. Some also call out misleading marketing, reused images from graft surgery, and placebo effects. Overall, the consensus seems to be that collagen can be supportive at best, but it's not a substitute for proper periodontal care. So the takeaway here is to be cautious. CollaGum may not be a 100% scam, but the exaggerated claims and limited transparency definitely raise serious concerns. If you're dealing with gum issues, it's always best to consult a dental professional rather than relying on a powder to do the work for you.